In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to Hit Apps. Now to apply it, hit Default Apps, choose Home app and click on Launcher Pro. Tap on Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. If you want to make some changes to Apple layout, go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, click on Default Home App section again and choose System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!